Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you these. I made these jellyfish. These are jellyfish. Now my granddaughter said that they were octopuses, but they're supposed to be jellyfish. And this one took one ball of this toasty yarn. This is quite a thick yarn. And there's 200 grams in that. And that is done by King Cole. That's King Cole's yarn. This one is colour 5988. And this is the pattern that I used for it. Now, I got mine on Ravelry, or Ravelry. And it was $5. That works out about £3.55, maybe £3.88 if you're in the UK. Now you can I downloaded it and I printed it off. It's quite large writing when you print it off. Or you can, it's called a PDF. There's these patterns available from King Cole as well. It's called a PDF and that means it's a downloadable one. So you get it straight away and you can print it. You can download it from Ravelry once you paid for it. You can download it onto your computer, onto your laptop or onto your phone or whatever you want and then follow the pattern. And this is what it makes. You could try it with other King Cole chunky yarn as well. You just might get a bigger or smaller one. And this is the biggest one. Now, mine's came out really big. That's its legs. So that's what they look like when they're standing up. I just can't get it all into my pattern. It does tell you the size of chains to make these little curlicues. And I've got a video on my channel that tells you how to actually make these curlicues on their own. And it's got these tentacles. I can see why she thought it was an octopus. I didn't put the tentacles on this one. I just did it like this and she loves it. So next time she comes up and sees me, she's going to be taking this away with her. Now, the bottom, the pattern tells you, I've got a little bit of my stuff in there. Now, the pattern does tell you how to do this flat part. And I'm sure that if you don't do that, it could be an octopus just the same. And this one needed 2 balls, but I ran out. I only had one of this bubblegum. This coloured one is called bubblegum. And I made a few of the bubblegum colour of these curlicues. And I did the other one. This is a chunky, I think this one's the homespun Aran, actually. This is a homespun, I'm sure it's a homespun yarn. And I used the odd ball that I had of that. And you can get this pattern from any good suppliers as well. If you Google it, and that's the number of the pattern, 9200. If you put in King Cole jellyfish, because these are jellyfish, then this should pop up for a lot of sellers. You can get it on Amazon. I'm sure I saw it on Amazon as well. But I got mine from an online site called Ravelry. It is a crochet and knitting site. And lots of people do sell their crochet and knitting patterns on there, and you can get some great bargains. There's a lot of free patterns as well. If you look on there for free patterns, there's thousands and thousands of free patterns. But this one I paid for it, and it downloaded to my computer, and I printed it off, and then I made these. They're absolutely beautiful. Now I will put the link for Ravelry underneath in the description. For if you want to go directly and get it that way. You can pay with a card, you can pay with PayPal, or you can just go online and order a paper version of it. And go to Love Crafts, they do King Cole stuff, Love Crafts, and there's Wool Warehouse, there's lots and lots of different ones if you Google it for the King Cole patterns. So Thank you very much for watching. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Instagram as well as my coffee page. I opened up a new Instagram page and I've been uploading onto there, and it's Alison Russell Crochet. And you'll find me on Instagram if you type that in, if you've got an Instagram account. So thank you very much for watching. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.